Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing great, and it's been a long time, I know, ever since I came here and talked to you guys or did something or anything for that matter exciting with you guys. Well, hello to the new background, as you may be seeing in this video or throughout this video. So in the past few months I have moved, switched jobs, so there have been many different changes that have happened, but alhamdulillah all is okay now, and I hope the same thing is the case with you guys. Inshallah, I'm hoping that you and your families are safe and in good health, inshallah. For those brothers and sisters that have lost family or have someone suffering due to this pandemic or for any other reason, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant shifa to you guys and your families, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us stick to our deen and let us depart from this world when He is the most pleased with us, inshallah and ameen. Alright, so I have done this makeup look that you guys are seeing on me today. Not very glam yet, slightly glam. It's slight smoky. I wouldn't call it full on smoky eyes. These types of looks are very favorite for me because they are easy, simple to do, and looks very glamorous. So yeah, and also guys, a quick update or review that I will give you guys throughout the video is I have finally made the jump to switch from an iPhone to Android. Whoa, how did that happen? I have basically gone ahead and gotten the Note 20 Ultra phone, which I'll talk about in a moment. You'll hear me talk about it throughout the video. So yeah, stick around for that part. And again, thank you so very much for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do it. Help me grow. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram for some exclusive content. Anyway, enough of me talking. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Hit the notification bell so that every time I post, you get notified. All right, let's get started. also a quick update. This thing that you guys see me, pointing with or pointing towards the screen with is the Samsung S Pen. It's from the Note 20 Ultra, and I recently have made the switch or made the decision to switch my phone from an iPhone to Android. And at first, to be very honest with you, it did seem like a big jump or a big change, but as I gradually started using it, I think I really took to the change very well. And I think right now at this point I really do enjoy the functionalities and the productivity options that Samsung has to offer. So really amazing phones, really good companies, and they're really top of the lines. But for me at this stage of my life, I think Samsung is really catering to my needs. And also I am someone who is very mindful of the camera specs. That's something really important to me because I use my camera a lot for videos and photos, so having a good camera is a must. So I think at first I was very skeptical that Samsung camera won't be as good and as well perform as well as the iPhone camera does, but Samsung really did surprise me with the quality. From back in the day, the experience with Samsung wasn't as positive for me in terms of the camera specs, also in terms of the productivity or the phone itself. I had bad experience with most of my Samsung phones in the past, but I'm referring to 4 to 5 years back. So they really did come a long way since then. Yeah, if you guys are thinking about switching from Apple to Android or vice versa, I mean, don't think too much. If you're gonna be always comparing, then you're always gonna be stuck in that loophole. So I will just say, just go ahead and take the leap and see if you like it. If you don't, nowadays we do have some great return options for activating your phone. I think you have given a certain period of time and you can basically exchange it or return it if you don't like it. So do take advantage of that, but I'm pretty sure usually people take to the change very well, and my personal experience has been quite positive. So yeah, really good phone. And this is not a promotional type of video or skit. It's just I'm sharing my personal experience with you guys. So hope you liked it.